How to reset Windows 10 or 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to reset Windows 10 or 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. Right click on the Windows or the Start box. After that, click on the Settings option. Once you land on the Settings section, click Windows Update at bottom left corner of this section. Click on the search bar and type in Recovery option. Under the list, you will find a recovery option. Select that. And here is the Reset This PC option. Simply click Reset PC. Before that, you have to choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall the Windows. When you click on it, a menu box appears where you need to choose an option between keep your files or remove everything. If you don't have got important files, simply you need to click remove everything. Otherwise, you can select keep my files and you can reset your Windows. So for now, let's click keep my files and wait for a while, and this menu box again appears where you are asked whether or how would like to reinstall Windows, either by cloud download or local reinstall. And once you have chosen among this option, you have to click on the next button, follow the on-screen prompts, and easily reset your Windows 10 or 11. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.